Hello everyone. Today we are going to find the area of a trapezium, and here is the diagram, and we have the base 7 meters and we don't know the space, like how many meters are they, and we have the height, which is 3 meters. So now we are going to say the area is equals to 1/2 base A plus base B multiplied by the height. So now we go on to say 1/2 is equals 1/2 A, which is 7 meters, plus B. B is this one, and we don't know how many meters they are. So we're going to leave it for a while, and H, the height, is 3. So now if you see over here, if we do like this, over here, this is now a right angled triangle. So, and this means from here, it's 7 meters, right? But here, we don't know what it is, so we are going to call it X. And this line, this distance, we know it's the same as this one, so it's 3 meters as well. So for us to find X, I hope you remember your Pythagoras theorem that says c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So c squared is this, which is 5 squared is equals to a squared. We can take 3 squared plus x squared. So now we need to find x squared. So x squared is equals to 5 squared minus 3 squared. Let's simplify. 25 minus 9 is equals to x squared, and we get 16 is equals to x squared. For us to remove x squared, we are going to find the square root of both sides. So it becomes x is equals to square root of 16, which is equals to 4. So this side here, this distance is 4 meters, but we need the base, the whole of it. So we are going to say 7 plus 4. So it's going to be 7 plus 4, which is equals to 11. So here we are going to put 11. So we go on to simplify. 7 plus 11, 18, still multiply by 3, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 18, 9. So 9 times 3, we get 27. And these are meters, so our unit will be square meters. So the area of the trapezium should be 27 meters. I hope you got it right. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.